Well, it's been a long time coming, guys. 6 years since I pulled her off the road. She's finally got paint on her. 4 years fixing the rust, and a little over a year waiting in line at the paint shop. I couldn't jump the queue. We finally have paint on her. And Marcel rang me or messaged me at 9 PM with some photos, and I couldn't even get to sleep last night. Look at that color pop. I had some photos in the booth and it looked slick as in the booth, but now I'm seeing it in the sun, man. And to think, a lot of my friends scoffed at me when I told them I was going to paint it green. They said, green? Really? Ugh. But I think the proof is in the pudding. Look at that. Alright, well there you have it guys. Finally, the car's been painted. And it's probably going to be at the paint shop for at least 1 more week, maybe 2, just while they finalise gapping all the panels out, making sure everything's nice and straight and nice and squared off. Then I can take it home, and I think the first job to tackle is definitely going to be all the suspension. I really want to get this thing back on 4 wheels and back to a rolling shell. So my standard shocks were leaking, so I do have a set of KYB new used shocks on the way from interstate, and I do have some mold springs for it as well. So I think we slam all that together, rebuild all the suspension that I haven't done yet, and get this thing back to a rolling shell. So keep an eye out for that video guys, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching.